everybody, it's Charlotte and Maxwell. Here today with your update.
And what do we got going on today, kids?
We're going to look at the pumpkins. Okay.
Which one did you name?
Cowboy.
And Charlotte say, I named Appleberry.
Appleberry.
Let's go look at him.
Hey everybody, it's Maxwell. Here we got Cowboy and he's looking big and orange. If Dad would put the tape measure on. I think it's better than an Appleberry. Hey everybody, it's Charlotte. And I'm sitting on Appleberry. I think it's bigger than Cowboy, everybody. I like something that was Appleberry. I think it's gonna be Brad.
And this is the plant that has been overtaken by 6-foot tall weeds and a pumpkin that is probably, at a minimum, I'm gonna say 500 pounds there. It is probably, crotchal height and pretty big. And there's another one buried in there, and then there's another one buried over there. But other than that, the pumpkins are growing. Thanks for watching my kids video. Pumpkins are growing. That's all we got for you. If you have any questions, comment below. Subscribe to the channel. We'll talk to you next week. Oh, and get out there and grow yourself a giant pumpkin. Well, that explains why I've been battling the rabbit getting in here. I just saw this little dude hop out. Huh. I wonder if there's more, or if there's a nest somewhere right in there where it just hopped out of. Interesting.